Hi guys, it's Kara. I'm back with another video. So today I wanted to show you guys how I did these faux freckles. I love the look of freckles. I think that they're so adorable and I love whenever I get them naturally during summertime, but everyone knows that's actually not very good for your skin. It's actually sun damage. So this is a much healthier way to get the same adorable look. So if you guys want to see how I did my faux freckles, super quick, super easy, keep watching. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is go in with my Milani brow kit. This is the most beat up brow kit in the whole world. It's a drugstore makeup product, but like the color is actually so nice. So what I'm gonna do is take this flat angled brush. So I'm gonna wet it with a cup of water into the darker color of the Milani brow palette. I feel like you could use like an eyeshadow or any brand of brow palette, but this one does work really well. And I'm gonna kind of just wet the eyeshadow or the brow powder a bit, and I'm just gonna start drawing on freckles. So you wanna keep the freckles looking really natural and really focus where people naturally get more freckles. So I like to start around my nose and work my way outward onto the tops of my cheeks. So just using the very tip of this. Sometimes I find it helps if I scrape off some of the eyeshadow first, drawing little freckles. Really like to start with them focused on my nose. And if you have any real freckles on your nose, then you can kind of use those as an outline and fill those in. So for instance, I have one here, and I can just darken it a little bit. I make sure when I'm doing the freckles to draw some on a little bit bigger, some I just do a really light dot, because naturally freckles come in all different shapes and sizes. Make one a little bit too big, and I just blend it in with your finger. Once I feel like I have a good amount on my nose, I move on to my cheeks. Just kind of blending them in, making sure they look really natural. Just where the sun naturally give me freckles. So I do a random one on my forehead. Yeah, you can just kind of have fun with it. I mean, this is the easiest tutorial ever. I feel like I don't even need to make a tutorial to show you how to do this. But after watching so many YouTube videos on how to do fake freckles, I feel like people made it so much more complicated than it really needs to be. Then I like to do one on top of my lip because I think it looks like Cindy Crawford. Higher on my cheekbone. So these are the freckles, and now the only thing I do to make them look a bit more natural is I take my Becca Champagne Pop powdered highlighter, and I'm gonna dust a little bit on top of my cheek over the freckles. And then I'm gonna put a little bit with my finger just down the center of my nose on top of the freckles, and a little bit on the tip. That's it. Super, super easy. So this is the look. These are my faux freckles. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, it's so much easier than other tutorials that I've seen for freckles, so hope you liked it. Bye.